Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find the value of c to make sure that the function can be continuous on R. So that's about the real numbers. So in this one, we have the piecewise function. We need to consider about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So this one we can use about the limit on the left should be equals to the limit on the right of number 2. So in this part on the left, that is about this one. So we have this one in here. And later that we put number 2 cone here in here. Similar for on the right. So this one we have 4c, number 4, number 8, and 2c. So I will put negative 2c go to the left, number 4 go to the right. So number 4 and number 2 we have number 6. This one we have number 4. And now we have 4 divided by 6. So we simplify the number in here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.